Owning property in Conway means enjoying southern charm, scenic beauty, and seasonal weather shifts. But as your home or business ages, so do the components that protect it, including your windows. While well-maintained windows can last for decades, there comes a point when repair just isn't enough. Recognizing the signs of failing windows early can save you money, increase comfort, and boost energy efficiency. Here are the top signs it's time to consider window replacement in your Conway property. Skyrocketing energy bills. One of the clearest indicators that your windows are underperforming is a noticeable increase in your energy costs. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a stable indoor temperature. If your energy bills have been climbing without a clear cause, aging or damaged windows may be to blame. New energy-efficient windows help seal your home, reduce energy waste, and can even qualify you for tax incentives. Drafts and cold spots. Do you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed? That's a red flag. Air leaks typically result from worn-out seals, warped frames, or outdated single-pane glass. Drafts not only compromise comfort but also signal that your windows are no longer insulating your home properly. In Conway, where summer humidity and winter chills can both be intense, proper insulation is essential for comfort and cost control. Moisture between panes. Double or triple pane windows are designed to trap insulating gas between the panes. When you start to see fog or moisture buildup inside the glass, it often means the seal has failed. This not only reduces visibility and aesthetics but also makes your windows far less energy efficient. If the glass is cloudy and cleaning doesn't help, it's time for a replacement. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows should open and close smoothly. If you find yourself forcing them open or wrestling them shut, it could mean the frame is warped or the hardware has deteriorated. This is more than a nuisance, it's a safety concern. Windows that don't lock securely or are hard to open in an emergency should be replaced immediately for both security and escape access during fires or storms. Visible damage or rot. Cracked glass, warped frames, peeling paint, or rotting wood around your windows are all signs of deterioration. In Conway's humid climate, wood windows are especially vulnerable to rot and mold. Damaged windows not only lower your home's curb appeal but can also let in pests and water, leading to even more costly repairs down the road. Excessive outside noise. If you live near a busy street, school, or construction site and notice that outside noise seems louder than it used to, your windows may no longer be doing their job. Older or poorly installed windows often lack the insulation needed to reduce noise pollution. Upgrading to modern, insulated windows can create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Outdated style and poor curb appeal. Even if your windows still function, they may be dragging down the look of your property. Modern window designs offer sleek frames, better visibility, and enhanced performance. If you're planning to sell or simply want to boost your home's aesthetics, replacing outdated windows can significantly increase your property's market value and visual appeal. Final thoughts. don't wait for problems to escalate. If your Conway property is showing one or more of these warning signs, it's time to explore your window replacement options. Not only will new windows enhance your comfort and security, but they'll also add long-term value to your home. Investing in high-quality window replacement today can save you from headaches and high costs tomorrow.